Okay, hi, it's Wednesday again, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about digestive wellness. So I have a few products that I'm going to share with you. Key things, again, are drinking lots of water, moving your body, and kind of knowing what your body likes and doesn't like. And as I age, I definitely notice that there are some things that I can't eat anymore that I used to be able to eat. So I have to be a little bit more careful than normal. But there are some tricks if I'm intending to not be super careful and I just want to eat some cheese. So I'm going to start with a recommendation of this really awesome yoga that I love. It's free, it's on YouTube, you can do it in your living room. It's called Yoga with Adriene, and I'll post a link in the comments when I'm all done talking. But she has tons of videos that are specific to digestion. So other things that I do is every single morning when I wake up, I have a giant glass of water and drop a drop of my lemon Vitality, or maybe two, usually two come out, in my water, and that just helps to balance me, balance my pH and alkalinity and my guts. So it's awesome if you can get it in a regimen. And actually, after I've been sick, I really especially like to use it if I've had some stomach bug or something going on, because it really just kind of helps clean your body. Another thing is peppermint oil, and peppermint essential oil also comes in the Vitality, but I usually will apply this other oil first called Digize. And Digize has ginger, tarragon, peppermint, juniper, fennel, lemongrass, anise, and patchouli in it. And it is amazing. You can eat it if you want to. It comes in the Vitality as well. So I recommend, if you're going to eat it, that you would put it inside of a vegetable capsule, which you can just buy bottles of these vegetable capsules. I don't recommend filling them all in advance. Like, you should just fill it as needed, because it's a vegetable capsule and it will eventually dissolve. So fill it as needed. And the peppermint oil is something that after I apply the Digize, I just put it on topically to my abdomen. It can be a little bit, it'll be tingly for sure. So if you're using it with kiddos, or you want to make sure that you maybe dilute it or let them know if they have a sensation that is a little bit intense, that you can just dilute it with olive oil. Don't dilute with water. You want to dilute it with olive oil because water will intensify whatever kind of sensation they have going on. Same with the peppermint. If you're applying it topically, great. You can also eat it in a capsule or put it in your water bottle. That's kind of my second go-to. If the Digize topically isn't quite doing what I would need it to do, then I'll eat some peppermint. So yeah, that comes in the Vitality as well. Or I grow a lot of peppermint in my yard, so I'll just brew a cup of tea and put this in a tea ball, dried peppermint that I've picked from my yard, and drink it. And it also is amazing how helpful it is. Some people don't like to eat essential oils. That's completely your choice. You can also diffuse peppermint. So if my kids are feeling nauseous, I'll put some in a diffuser because it really helps with nausea. Okay, two more things. Actually, three. I also love ginger tincture. So if you have stomach digestive stuff going on, it's nice to have that handy as well, or maybe some digestive bitters, which are super easy to make. But yeah, the ginger tincture is also comes in handy. You want to be careful if you're sensitive, like if you have any heartburn or reflux, then maybe these things won't work for you as well, like a ginger tincture, for example. So just kind of listen to your body. And then there's two more things. There's this supplement, a dietary supplement called Allerzyme, and it comes in a little capsule that you can just swallow. And it's vegetarian and it's a digestive enzyme. So you can take it prior to eating or meals as needed. Sometimes I'm sensitive to beer also, and if I want to have a beer, I will take one of those, or use this alkaline also, and you would kind of use it the same way, except for it's in a powder form, so you would scoop a teaspoon of it out, put it in 4 to 6 ounces of water, and drink it before you eat something that your body is kind of sensitive to. And that could even be like beans. I also take magnesium pretty regularly, and I don't have a brand that I'm like super drawn to, but it also helps my body just stay kind of in that good space. So before I go, I appreciated all of your sweet comments last week, and if you leave one today, you'll be entered in a drawing for a Digest and a Peppermint Vitality. So I'm going to give those 2 things away. And if I'm mailing it to you, I'll also mail you some little capsules to try them in. Also, these 2 things come in the starter kit. So if you're interested in that, it's pretty life-changing. So if you don't have one yet, you should get a hold of me and let me know. All right. Bye.